This video will show how to calculate a company's sales tax for provinces, known as PST, Provincial Sales Tax, and for government sales tax, known as GST, as well as company annual property tax payable. We will create these functions to have these outputs: property tax payables for PST and GST, property tax payable for current. Let's create these functions now. We have a data dictionary that has sales for a company, sales tax payable for GST, which is the federal sales tax, sales tax payable PST, the provincial sales tax. We have 5% and 7%. Let's create our first function, which is the sales tax. The PST tax, the sales payable PST multiplied by the sales. Next, GST. Cash is the sales plus the PST plus the GST. We print out payable taxes, PST, GST. Then we print out the cash, call our function, pass in our company data dictionary. We get payable taxes, $700 for PST and $500 for GST. The cash remaining is $11,200. Calculating company property tax. We have a data dictionary that stores the property tax bill of $6,000, as well as the bill due month number. 2 months have passed for this company. The year end is December 31st. Let's create our property tax function now. First thing we need to calculate is the tax months divided by the 12 months in a year. Next is current property tax payable, which takes in the property tax bill, times that by the tax months. To find the remainder is the property tax bill, subtract the current property tax payable. Print it out. Property tax payable, which is the current, call our function, pass in our company property, call our function. We get property tax payable current, $1,500. The remainder is $4,500.